What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're at Knott's Berry Farms. Keicon. So what's up, everybody? How you guys doing? So today, we're going to Knott's Berry Farms. If you don't know what that is, it's an amusement park. So we're here at Knott's Berry Farm. Ryan and I. Ryan, say hi to the people. It's hot, but not hot yet. I'm waiting in line to ride this one ride, but flipping with Ryan, I drank a hard cider and now my chest hurts. So I'm like trying to recover. But you know, I'm gonna be alright. It's never too early for a little cocktail, but it was early today and my little chest was hurting. But we making it, and the line is like going pretty fast. I mean, I think I'm almost back. The fact that I'm making this video to tell you guys that, you know, yeah, but it's cool, whatever. So we're making it, and most of the rides are closed today because it's hot. Hold on, I feel like I gotta vote. No, I did it. But yeah, most of the rides are closed today because it's hot, which is crazy. So I'm just like, we're gonna try to ride as much as possible while we're here. But Ryan's in the back listening to whatever he's listening to. But yeah, I'm like on my Beyonce Keys to the Kingdom wave right now. I think I'm back. So I'll let you guys get on this ride. I probably won't be able to take my phone on the ride because I'm not trying to lose it. And then there'll be nothing left to this vlog. So yeah. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off. All right. Are you going to the bathroom? I'm gonna wait in line. So now we're going to the accelerator. It should be fun. That other ride, Hang Time, that was pretty dope. It was a lot, but this is what I'm gonna ride next. Oh, hopefully the line's not like disgustingly long. Shit. Oh, it's not too bad. I just hope it continues to work. It's got a little ways. It smells like motor oil. It stinks, but we're here. Look who it is. And he's walking. Well, we made an executive decision and we decided to leave.
Can I get in on this one?
Yeah, you can.
Hey, so I just want to let you guys know that anytime you see a very long line, just leave. It's not worth it, especially if you are of the melanin descent, okay?
We waited in Hang Time for really long, so now we're gonna ride the kiddie ride. Right. Because we really only seen this go one time, and I'm not that pressed. The chicken smells great. I mean, I guess we'll get on the kiddie ride, right? We'll get on the kiddie ride. He's talking about some slavery. Who is slave? Not I. But anyways, oh, they're sifting for gold, and I'm trying to ride the ride.
So I said, hey, to my YouTube channel.
Hi, I'm here with a fellow YouTuber, but I don't know how he's YouTubing in vertical. Because how is that gonna like upload? It's got the black marks on the side. It's okay. What's your YouTube? Tell the people your YouTube.
It's Relaford. Go get that money.
So guys, make sure you subscribe also to Relaford. Go get that money. But alrighty, we're here. I guess. I hope it's running. I haven't even heard it run. Alright. So guys, that was a lot. And the line, it was just the waiting.
It was 45.
It wasn't horrible. It wasn't horrible, but
Show the show that we could have had.
oh, we could have been like, can y'all see that? That could have been us. We just went like directly to the top, and it was a lot. I just remember this one time my friend was on the ride, just out. I mean, all you saw was areola. People was like, but it was so funny. But now we need food. Who wants soup? It's too hot for soup. Oh my gosh, my stomach hurt. But I'm hungry. So guys, it was fun. We had a great time, a great day. Just taking selfies in the back. You can see him. Oh, my glasses. But we had so much fun. It's hot. It's time to go. And y'all know we in LA where the traffic is retarded. So, signing out. We wrote some fun stuff today, and I'm satisfied. So, Knots, I'll see you guys at Halloween time. As always, get all you need, but not too much. Peace. Okay. Oh. Ew. Something like flew in my mouth. Yeah.